You probably already know about carne asada, but do you know about bistec asado? I want to share with you my favorite way to make it, and it's completely plant-based. The ingredients are 1 large lion's mane mushroom, a 1/16 of a teaspoon each of oregano, smoked paprika, black pepper, garlic, and cumin, 1 tablespoon of liquid aminos, the juice of 1 lime, 2 teaspoons of nutritional yeast, 2 garlic cloves sliced, and 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Bistek comes from the English word beef steak. Get it? Bistek? It just simply refers to beef steak dishes in Mexico. So bistec asado is just a grilled steak with a Mexican flavor. Start by pressing the mushroom between 2 heavy cast iron pans under medium heat. Thank you to the sponsor of this video, my cookbook. It is finally here. If you like my videos and are looking for a way to support this channel, this is one of the best ways that you can do so. Click the link in the description so you can find out all of the details about how you can get your own copy. Let's get back to the recipe. This releases the water and creates its shape. Flip the mushroom and press it on the other side. This should take about 5 minutes. Well, you're probably more familiar with carne asada, which just translates to grilled meat. Technically, a bistec asado is also a carne asada. It's important to note that there really isn't one carne asada recipe. It varies very widely. But there is one ingredient that you can find pretty much in all carne asada recipes, which is lime juice. And to me, that is what gives it the distinct Mexican flavor. Once pressed, marinate with all of the spices, the lemon juice, and liquid aminos. Marinate overnight. The lion's mane mushroom in my recipe is what gives it that beef steak look, and the lime juice in the marinade is what's going to give it that iconic flavor. On a cast iron over medium heat, cook for about 3 minutes with the avocado oil. In this channel, I've shared with you several vegan Mexican taco fillings, such as carne molida, tofu carne asada, tacos de suadero, tacos de birria, and even vegan fish tacos. And honestly, I really love to eat this bistec asado in tacos as well. But let me know down in the comments how you like to pair it with. And if you're looking for other taco recipes, I will make sure to leave that playlist here. And if you think someone else might enjoy them, please share it with them. Buen provecho.